Chapter 6, fill in the blanks, Part A, Homeowners Policies. Section 1, Insured. So all of the following persons are deemed to be an insured. Basically are supposed to be insured, right? Are considered to be insured. So spouse of either. Do you know spouse mean, right? Wife or husband, right? Spouse of either, living in a same household. So spouse must be living in the same household. The insured's common law spouse who has lived with insured for 5 years or more. So how 5 years or more? Maybe 3. So 3 or 5? I think 3. Right? Because it might be a spelling mistake. So it must be 3 years or more. You can change it, right? Yeah. So if you are common law, so then it's a 3 years. 3 years or more. And then, yes, student of either parents, right? Yeah, so next is the relatives of either parents when permanently living with the insured. What should be here? Relatives. Any person under 21 in their care, right? So any person under 21 in their care, right? Or a student attending university outside the province, right? Dependent on the insured. Okay, so we go over again, right? First one was spouses of either living in the same household, and then 3 years or more if you are common law, right? And the third one, so relatives of either parents when permanently living, for example, your in-law, right? Any person under 21 in their care, it means a student attending university outside, university attending outside, but it must be dependent. Note, tenants, roomers, boarders are excluded, so they are not covered. They need to have their own insurance, right? Tenant insurance. Tenant, roomer are excluded. If they need to get insurance, they would need to apply for a separate. So make sure if you have a tenant at home, tell them to buy their own insurance. If the house burned down, they don't get anything. They are not automatically covered under homeowners. Next is extension of coverage. Property removed. The insurer will cover property that was necessarily removed for up to how many days? Up to 7 or 30? Up to 30 days to another location to protect if from damage or further damage. Yeah. So basically insurer will cover property when, for example, you want to save the property, house getting burned down, you want to save it, right? You move from this house to the other house. So how many days? 30 days. Okay. From damage, so you can highlight the word damage, because if you say you are removing the property because you are getting paint done in your house, not covered, right? House is getting burning, a forest fire is burning, and you taking the stuff from this to other, right? So like that. Next is moving to another house. Property insured while in transit. When moving to new home within Canada for 30 days. So within Canada for 30 days. So new home. Next, freezer food. Freezer food limit is how much? 2,000. Coverage is provided when there is an accidental interruption. Accidental interruption of electrical power. Or the word electrical power on or off. The insured premises. Damage due to intentional disconnection is not insured. So figure 4 will give you 1 mark in the exam. But what the next one is it? $2,000. Right? But this is only accidental interruption. Change of temperature. Insured personal property when damaged due to change in temperature must be inside the dwelling at the time of a loss. Must be inside. Then lock replacement. When the insured keys have been stolen, and report to police, right? And reported to police. $500 or 5% is available. So 5% of the total limit, right? So, and the next one is coverage section, right? So coverage A dwelling building, amount of coverage is determined by using which method? Using valuation guide. So this one also comes in the exam. Using the valuation. Coverage B is a detached private structure. First one was building. This is a private structure. You sometimes a garage, right? Private structure. There is the 10% of coverage A dwelling building, which is additional to the amount of insurance stated for coverage A. So 10% basically means, for example, you bought a house and you have a building insured is for $400,000. So what will be the 10% of 400,000? $40,000. So your garage is covered for 40, right? That means. Then coverage C, personal property. So personal property is covered 80% to 100% of coverage. For example, if your insurance is for $400,000, so the 80% will be how much? $320,000, right? Or sometime it is at 100%. So your sofa, your TV, your everything is covered for $320,000 or $400,000. A dwelling building, all contents belonging to insured and his dependent, studying children, even if studying in another provinces. So that's also covered, right? Contents, highlighted content belonging. Contents of rumors and borders are always excluded. Highlighted word excluded, rumor, border. So that's why they have to have a separate insurance. Personal property temporarily removed is covered off premises anywhere in the world. For temporarily if you are removed. Okay. Now the special limits on personal property. All losses, business property, they cover for how much? Securities, $2,000. Money and bullion, $200. Riding lawnmower, $5,000, right? Like a tractor, right? And computer software, $2,500. And theft losses, jewelry, gem, watches, fur garment, $2,000. So the covered the additional living expenses, 20% of coverage A. So basically 20% of coverage A means if your coverage A is how much? Was 400,000, right? So 20 means, so basically $80,000, right? For living, which is additional in addition to the amount of insurance term policy. Those increased costs for items, food, transportation, accommodation, which do not serve to raise the standard of living of the insured. Fair rental income, loss of rental income from the tenant is also covered. So basically, if now Tracy can't live there anymore, right? So they are also covered the rental loss. So the limit cannot be changed, nor can coverage be increased from the package.